Probably you may have used the mint, but do you know there is another type of mint that exists? Yes, it's peppermint and it is scientifically known as Mentha piperita. It is a great aromatic herb that is used for flavoring purposes and infused in natural medicines. Muscle ache, morning sickness, headache, stomach pain, inflammations, and lot more are the common issues that peppermint is used to treat. Peppermint is a great source of antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and a natural painkiller and a natural medicine. Most commonly, peppermints are used to treat nausea, vomit sensation, and other digestive tract issues. So, consumption of peppermint can keep the digestive system calm and help vomit and indigestion. Are you annoyed and being uncomfortable for being bloated or irritable bowel? Then peppermint can get the happy digestive system and cures the irritable bowel for you. To make a peppermint tea, just add 4 to 5 fresh leaves of peppermint in the boiling water of around 100 ml and add few dry and ground leaves of peppermint. Now squeeze a lemon into it as per your requirement, and you may also add a spoon of honey to make the tea even more delicious. Now mix the content well, and now the peppermint tea is ready for consumption. It is always recommended to consume this tea after your meal so that your metabolism will be boosted in a greater manner. If you are a pregnant woman or breastfeeding mom, then probably it is recommended for you not to consume this tea until you give birth or stop feeding your baby. On the other hand, muscle pain and inflammation can take a serious effect on the joints of yours, and here comes the benefits of peppermint oil for the remediation of muscles and joint pain. Peppermint oil contains various active ingredients such as menthol 40%, menthone 23%, methyl acetate, cineol, lemonene, and more. Massaging the oil on the affected area can help both rheumatic and physical activity pain. The peppermint oil can be a great pain reliever and a source of refreshment during headache and stresses. And try massaging the forehead and behind the ears with the oil directly or with the combination of coconut or almond oil. This can calm you from the stressful pain. Always remember, peppermint oil should be always mixed with other oil like almond oil, coconut oil, or some other type of domestic oils before applying them on your skin. The additional oil that we add will act as a carrier for the peppermint oil. Blood circulation in our body is one of the crucial mechanisms that keeps us active, and peppermint oil can help the circulation better and helps to cure the swell around the finger joints. The pain we face at midnight will be cured if you start using this peppermint oil regularly. If you are that one person who always gets cold and cough often, then the peppermint extraction can help you directly. The goodness of the peppermint cleanses the lung and unblocks the clogged nose and breath. The bad stomach can produce a bad breath, which is a cracking factor of the confidence to be social. And though bad breath can be due to various reasons, chewing a few peppermint leaves or its extractions can treat this issue well. The extraction of the peppermint is a home remedy and a natural medicine for skin irritation and acne. The natural soothing property of these leaves is good medicine for the urticaria and allergies. As the peppermint leaves and oil contains these many benefits for you, why don't you start using these leaves in your diet? Please support the channel by subscribing to it and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.